How's it going, Ding Dongs? Welcome back to Ding Dong Drift. In today's video, I'm going to be finishing the taillights that I started in the previous video where I showed just how I modeled it, how I printed it, and a little bit of how it was assembled. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the entire process of how all the LEDs, everything, how the parts come together, how it all, basically the entire assembly of the taillight, and then we're going to install them, wire them up in the car with taillights. Now the car will be road legal. All right, and that brings us to this point. We have a fully assembled taillight with the studs to install it and the little bracket on the back, install it onto the trunk. You can see I have the Deutsch plug on it. All I have to do now is put the male end on the car, so let's do that right now. All right, so the first thing I have to do is install this bracket that will hold the back of the taillight, and that goes right here. Now, I showed this modeling process if you want to see how I design these parts. I showed this whole modeling process in the previous taillight video, so go check that out. Probably can't even hear me because I'm laying on the mic. So I'm going to be doing the grease method for marking where the holes should be. And all you do is you take some thick grease and I put it on the bolt holes. Luckily these are sticking out because of the heat certs, cause them to stick out, so they should be the first thing to touch the body. Install the studs first, I think. Okay, there we go, now it's fully in. So make sure everything's lined up here, and then make sure it's lined up here with the quarter panel at the top, and I just push against it, and there we go. And there's my holes. You can see the little grease circles. So I'm going to do that on the other side, and then we'll drill those out. All right, and there it is installed. It's looking good, especially this side. If you guys remember in the design video, this side needs some body filler, because, yeah. So I'm going to use the taillight as basically the guide. I'm just going to cover it in tape and just stuff a bunch of Bondo in here, and that will make a perfect fit. But I just want to talk about this. Okay, so you see this little piece right here? This is to fill the gap from the bottom, so you don't see anything here. Because, like, if this wasn't here, you would see, you know, all of this stuff, and I don't want that. But just look at this fit. Oh. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that is literally perfect. Here, let me just close it. Wow. That is nice. Look at that. There's like barely any gap at all. So the trunk trim piece, you guys remember with the logo and the trunk release latch, is gonna go on top of this. So there's gonna be some like interweaving of parts, which is gonna be weird, but it's what I had to do to make it look right. All right, so now all that's left to do is wire it up. And here's the mess I have. I gotta figure out what wire does what because I don't remember. So let's get the multimeter out and figure out what's going on here. All right, everything's wired in, plugged in. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that looks pretty good. Oh, that looks way different though. I don't know how well you can see on camera, but yeah, this is way darker red. Look at that, that's like dark red. And this one's kind of a light red orange. Huh. What the heck? I used the exact same LED strips. That's weird. That's super weird. Okay, I still haven't seen the brake lights, so let's see how those look. Now, the brake lights I'm gonna redo because I used white LEDs in them, and when I was testing them, they don't look good. They look kind of whitish, but here's the brake lights. And then here are the turn signals. So obviously there's no reverse light because I'm going to be doing the reverse light in the diffuser here in the center. I'm gonna have a big rake in the diffuser. Turn signals look good though. Turn signals light up evenly. There's something going on with the right side. I don't know what. It's like really dense light in the edge, but then on the middle here, it's really like, or not in the middle, towards the center here, it's very faint. I don't know what's going on. I probably have to move the LEDs forward. I might have to make like little spacers that hold the LEDs forward or something, but not bad overall. And the headlights look sick. Headlights look, I think, even better. That looks badass. I love that. With the 3 pods, looks sick. I love it. I wanted to go drive the car around, but the weather is not letting me. It's starting to rain and the car doesn't have any freaking windows. You can see that. So can't go drive it, and tomorrow there's a chance of snow. So I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna end the video here. And yeah, I think it's looking pretty damn good. But I am gonna take the taillights out. I gotta figure out why it's not red on this side, and why this side looks so much better than this side. I didn't do it like permanently and finished, so maybe they like fell off or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. I have another LED strip that I think I'm gonna put in, which should help with this area not lighting up, because you can see how faint that is. It's like not lighting up at all. But man, it looks good though. The diffusion is exactly how I wanted it. It just looks like a nice light bar. There's absolutely no LED dots. Looks great. Super happy with that. So this video is coming out after the 3D scanner winner has been announced live, because I'm filming this Saturday. I'm gonna edit it today and it'll be up Sunday. So thank you to everybody who left a comment and entered to win the 3D scanner. Congratulations to the winner. It will be the pinned comment. So if you missed the live stream and you don't know if you won, check the comments. That's how you'll find out. Basically gonna be it for this video. Happy with the taillights. Little minor adjustments need to be done. As you saw, the light is a little iffy and the brake lights don't look red, which is kind of annoying, but that's an easy fix. Just need to replace the LEDs to red ones instead of white ones, and then it will look perfect. If you guys are curious, Alien is almost completely finished. You can see I added some gold or bronze details to it based on some reference that someone sent me. Did some saliva drips on the chin. I might add a little more. Got some gold details. So all that's left now is to scuff up the entire thing and clear coat it. Did the tail, you can see it's all coated. It's looking freaking awesome. I want to make another one now for my own house, just smaller, like maybe in a different position that will fit better in a house, because this thing is freaking gigantic, but I love how it turned out. And this is making me want to do more art stuff. I want to get back into sculpting, ZBrush, you know, making art, because this is just so much fun and it looks so cool. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this isn't the final version. I made some adjustments to the design. I made these two lines line up because I don't know why I missed that. And then I also made this swoop in to match this curve. And then I might also do the light bar. We'll see. Sylvia says I should do the light bar. A couple other people say I should do the light bar. I might do the light bar across the back because it will really tie into the brake light nicely, or maybe the running light. I don't know. We'll see. I might make some changes to the lens. The nice thing is, because I printed this in, you know, 2 pieces, I can just print a new lens and the lights inside don't have to change. They are adaptable. I can change the design of the outside to a certain degree based on the interior cavities where the LEDs are actually placed. And I don't have to worry about completely redesigning the whole entire thing and rewiring and all that stuff. That is gonna be it for this video, Ding Dongs. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna see these videos early, check out the Patreon. It's only $2 a month if you wanna sign up to see early updates, as well as other perks and stuff that's available for higher tiers. I can even help you with your own 3D projects. I have a tier that will give you basically private lessons. Sorry the video is a little short today. The weather again has ruined it, and hopefully in the next video we'll do a nice little driving around video if the weather turns around, because it is not looking good this week. Because I'd like to get some shots of the car with the leaves falling and all the colors changing, because I think that would look really cool, just like we did last year when my friends helped me film the car in its previous form. It's crazy it's been a year. It took 1 year to completely redesign the entire car, completely from the ground up. Pretty crazy. So I want to thank you guys again for watching, for supporting, and for sticking around. I know this is a long project and it's probably getting a little milked out. I love it. It's really fun. I love doing this stuff. I mean, like, look at this thing. It's freaking awesome. And seeing the new Lexus Sport Concept looking almost identical to my car is hilarious, and also means I'm going in the right direction with the design. I mean, I did copy the electric sport concept pretty closely in the front especially, and then I kind of just, you know, winged it everywhere else. I think I got the design dialed to be future-proof for at least the next 5 years, until Lexus decides to do something crazy and completely redesign their look again. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. Peace out, stay sweet, Ding Dongs, and I'll see you guys next week.
America, America. Do you have your passport?